My favourite thing was definitely getting to like put tiles on the wall, and then what was I doing? Laying the plaster and stuff. That was pretty hype. 10 out of 10 would come again.
My favourite thing about the expo is the welding machine.
Seeing Tim and his food.
I really enjoyed getting to look at lots of different services that are available to us.
Just like looking around at all the different jobs and like seeing what I can do when I'm older and what I want to be.
My favourite part of today was probably getting to try the coffee or the toasties.
The VR welder.
And seeing the Master Chef was also really good as well.
The one where you weld.
Mine was probably the case stand.
Bricklayer.
Just going around and talking to people and getting as much information as we can.
Is going around and learning new things.
I really enjoyed like looking at the beauty industry and seeing what new things that you try.
Like seeing what different careers are out there. The Army Force one, and also even though we haven't gone, the coffee one.
I'd have to say the Bunnings style, because got lots of things from there, lots of free stuff. They were very kind.
My favourite one is the coffee, because I got to make it and I gave it to my teacher, Miss McAllister. Is that you get to see like new things that you can do in life.
ADF Careers Expo.
My favourite thing was probably going to the TAFE and getting to play Jenga and have fun, and also having Subway cookies.
My favourite thing would probably be getting to see so many different career opportunities and being able to interact with all the people that run the stalls.
My favourite thing about today was just getting around talking to all the stalls and everything. It was really good.
My favourite thing was the toasties.
Going to the engineering and the plasma cutting.
My coffee cart.
My favourite thing is probably the tile laying. That was pretty fun.
I got to see other careers and what people like to do.
Presentation by the army is pretty good.
The thing was probably what we're doing now, the board game.
I liked the bricklaying and stuff.
I liked the tile breaking laying thing.
My favourite thing about today was tiling the tabletop over
that
there.
you get to learn new things and new things for jobs.
It was bricklaying. I'd have to say the concreting out the front is pretty good, yeah.
Getting to talk to different people who are like experts in their trades and see what they have to offer.
My favourite thing was the free cheeseburger toasties.
Today was probably just getting around talking to everyone and being involved with everything.
It's probably the bricklaying and doing things that you might not have done before.
My favourite thing was probably sitting in the tractor. Yeah.
My favourite thing about today is having fun, going out and hanging out with my friends.
Bunnings.
Mine was probably the Bunnings and the virtual reality welding.
Bunnings.
Blair, what was your favourite thing about the expo? I don't know, probably the bricklaying. It was pretty cool, exciting. Bit of experience in the job. Has it shined a light on your future? Yeah, I'm thinking about working as a bricklayer now. Ricky, I like it. Yeah. I'll see you on the worksite, mate. No worries.